Need to pick up money sent via MoneyGram? Let's make it quick and easy. First, you need to find a convenient MoneyGram agent location. You can do this by using the MoneyGram website or their mobile app, which will show you the closest available agents near you. Before heading out, make sure you have the money transfer reference number. This crucial number is provided to the sender when they initiate the transfer, so ask them to share it with you. Next, gather your valid photo identification. This could be a driver's license, passport, or any other governmental ID. The name on your ID must match the name the sender used for the transfer. Once at the agent location, you'll likely need to complete a simple receive form. This form typically asks for your name, the sender's name, the amount expected, and that all-important reference number. After filling out the form, hand it over to the agent along with your valid photo identification. The agent will then verify your information to ensure everything matches. Once your details are confirmed, the agent will process the transaction and hand you the transferred money. It's as simple as that. And just like that, you've successfully received your money through MoneyGram. It's a secure and straightforward way to access funds when you need them most.